Right here I have the perfect golf polo that you're looking for. What's up guys, my name is TJ. Today I'm going to be reviewing this golf polo by ZD, and this thing is absolutely amazing. I'm 5'11", 150 pounds, and I ended up getting the size medium, and I think that it fits perfectly. Now this fabric is so comfortable, and let me tell you why. This is made with a 91% polyester and a 9% elastane that's going to give this a nice four-way stretch. Look at this stretch, guys. This is some of the most comfortable fabric that I have worn, and it looks so good. I love how this is green too, because we have St. Patrick's Day coming up, and this will be perfect to wear on the golf course representing St. Patrick's Day. Check out the details on this shirt. You may not actually notice this, but if you look closely, it's actually a golf ball and tees going all the way throughout, and it's just a nice pattern. I think that's such a cool pop. It just looks absolutely amazing. And this shirt also has a 50 UPS plus rating to help protect you from the sun. We're gonna have a 3-button setup here on the collar, which is going to give you a lot of versatility. These buttons are going to be a clear with the green stitching to match. This collar is going to be double lined in the same fabric as this, which is just going to keep it comfortable all the way throughout. Now, if you open this up, it gives you a lot of freedom, mobility, and you can kind of air out. You could wear this with 1 button. You could wear it with 2, or if you're like me, you can button it all the way to the top, and this gives you a nice look. It's not too restrictive. I have a 15-inch neck, and it gives me a lot of freedom on the top and looks really nice. Now this medium fits perfectly. It goes about halfway down on my biceps. The stitching is really nice because it's just comfortable all the way throughout, and I do love the logo on the side here. It gives you a little bit of reflective material, which is just a nice little pop. It really adds to the style. This shirt also has a ton of mobility. As I move around, it doesn't restrict me whatsoever, and this stretch, guys, is huge. It's really a premium fabric, and they did a great job with this shirt. Now this comes down to a perfect length on me. It is going to be a little bit on the longer side, which I do love, because if you're using this for a golfing shirt, you're going to be able to tuck this in, and it's going to keep the fabric tucked in your pants real nice when you are swinging the golf club. It does give you a lot of room and mobility. It's kind of like a slim fit, athletic look, and I love that. Now this polo is going to be perfect to wear for pickleball, tennis, golfing, and it's going to look absolutely amazing just for everyday wear. It's super comfortable. The material is definitely lightweight. It feels incredible on the skin, and I can tell that this is going to wick away a lot of sweat and moisture, keeping me dry and comfortable all day. Now that would be especially good if you are in the office as well, and when you're sitting on the back of the chair, sometimes your back can get a little bit sweaty. This shirt is going to keep you dry and comfortable all day. Check out all the amazing other colors that they have to offer. I highly recommend this shirt. It feels great and a ton of mobility. Make sure you check out all the other colors they have to offer. Add this to your Amazon cart. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.